Good morning, students. Exercise 3.3.
Sir, I have doubt in exercise 3.3. First question.
First question.
Fifth part.
Okay, student. First question, fifth part. Students, root 2x plus root 3y. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. That is your first linear equation. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Now student, in substitution method, from equation first we will find out the value of variable y, that is root 3y, that is 0 minus root 2x. Now students, what the value of variable y? Minus root 2 x by root 3. Student, that is equation third. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, we will substitute the value of y from equation third in equation second. Replace y with minus root 2 by root 3x from equation second. Substituting value of y from equation third. Yes, students.
Sir, I am saying that in all these questions we have to substitute only in every type of question.
Yes, students. Either find the value of x and y from equation first, substitute in equation second, or either find out the value of x and y from equation second, put the value of x or y in equation first. You have to find out the value of x and y. Now put y is equal to minus root 2 by root 3 in equation first. Second, now student, root 3x minus, that is root 8. What is the value of y? What is the value of y?
Minus 2x.
Minus root 2 by
Root 3.
x equal to 0. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, that is root 3x minus plus root 8 multiplied with root 2, that is root 16. Root 16 means 4 by root 3 x equal to 0. Now students, take the LCM as root 3.
3x plus 4x.
Root 3 into root 3, 3x plus, that is 4x, that is 0. Now students, cross multiply it, that is 7x is equal to root 3 into 0, that is 0, and 0 divided by 7, that equal to 0. Now student, putting x is equal to 0 in equation third, putting x is equal to 0 in equation third. Students, what is y? What y is equal to? Y is equal to minus root 2 by root 3 x. Replace x with 0. Minus root 2 by root 3. That is 0. So value of y equal to 0. Now student, value of x is equal to 0 and value of y is also equal to 0. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Students, question number 3. First part from exercise 3.3. Student, try to understand the question. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Student, let first number be. Let first number be. Next. Student, second number is 3 times the first number. Times means multiply. Now what will be the second number? Students, we will consider this chapter depends on pair of linear equation in two variables. Student, let first number be x and second number be y. Second number be y. Student, here we are observing that x is greater than y. We have to consider here that x is greater than y. Now student, difference between two numbers is 26 according to first condition. According to first condition.
X minus y is equal to 1.
Student, difference of two number. It means x is greater than y. X minus y. The difference of x and y is 26. X minus y, that is 26. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, according to second condition. According to second condition. Second condition. And one number is 3 times the other. Student, this is your first number, this is your second number. Students, your first number is 3 times the second number. Your first number is 3 times the second number. It means
X is equal to
3y. Very good. Very good, student. That is equation second. Now we have to find out the value of x and y by substitution method. Students, substituting value of x from equation second in equation first. Substituting value of x from equation second in equation first. Student, replace x with 3y. Replace x with 3y. Now student, 3y minus 3y minus
y.
Student, 3y minus y is equal to 26. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
That becomes 3y minus y, that is 2y is equal to 26. Now student, we have to find out the value of y. To find the value of y, 26 divided by 2.
13.
Y is equal to 13. Putting y is equal to 13 in equation second. Putting y is equal to 13 in equation second. In equation second. Now student, x is equal to 3y. X is equal to 3y.
X is equal to 30 now.
Y क्या है? Y is 13. That is 39. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Student, therefore first number is, therefore first number B 39 and second number B
13.
13. Do it fast. Do it fast, students. Question number 3, second part. Students, larger of two supplementary angle exceed the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. Students, what are supplementary angles? To solve
Sir, please will sum is 182.
sum of, if sum of two angles, students, if sum of two angles is 180 degree, that is called supplementary angles. What are complementary angles? Students, if sum of two angles is 90 degree, that is called complementary angles. Students, let first angle be, let first angle be x degree and second angle be angle B y degree. Students, according to first condition, student, these two angles are supplementary, so sum of two angles is 180 degree. Equation first, supplementary angle, in bracket, these are supplementary angles. Student, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now student, according to second condition, student, larger of two supplementary angle exceed the smaller by 18 degree. Students, here we consider that x is greater than y. We are observing here that x is greater than y. Now students, your first angle is 18 degree greater than y. X, that is y. It means x is 18 degree greater than y. Then how can we equalize it?
5 plus 18.
X is equal to y plus
Y plus
18. Student, any doubt?
No, sir.
Students, putting value of x. value of x from equation second. In equation first, replace x with y plus 18. Student, replace x with y plus 18. Y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Student, any doubt? Students, x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Here we replace x is equal to y plus 18. So y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Student, y plus y, that is 2y plus 18, that is equal to 180 degree. Now students, 2y is equal to 180 minus 18.
162 degree.
Okay student, that is 162 degree. Now student, y is equal to 162 divided by 2, that is 18 degree. Student, putting y is equal to 81 degree in equation first. In equation second, putting y is equal to 81 in equation second. Student, what is equation second? Yours x is equal to y plus 18. X is equal to y plus 18. Now students, y is 81 plus 18, that is 99 degree.
99.
Student, any doubt, any problems?
99. No, sir.
Let fixed charge be. Let fixed charge be. Rupees x and charge per kilometer be. And charge per kilometer be. Rupees y. Students, if you have to go 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 100 kilometer, you have to pay rupees x. आपको रुपीज x तो पे करना ही करना पड़ेगा, ये फिक्स चार्ज है आपके पास. उसके बाद ये एडिशनल चार्ज लगता है रुपीज y पर किलोमीटर. अगर आप क्या है 10 किलोमीटर जाते हैं तो x प्लस 10y होगा इक्वेशन आपके पास. अगर आप 100 किलोमीटर जाते हैं तो आपने x रुपए तो पे करना ही पड़ेगा, ये फिक्स चार्ज रुपीज x. जैसे आप किसी ऑटो में या टैक्सी में जाते हो तो ऑटो वाला कहता है कि भाई 50 रुपीज तो आपके लगेंगे, आप 1 किलोमीटर चाहिए आपका, उसके बाद पर किलोमीटर के 10 रुपीज है. तो 50, अगर आप 10 किलोमीटर जाते हो तो 50 रुपीज तो लग रहे हैं आपके, और एक किलोमीटर के 10 रुपीज है तो 10 किलोमीटर कितने 100 रुपीज, टोटल अमाउंट कितना हुआ 150 रुपीज. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये फिक्स चार्ज है, ये फिक्स चार्ज तो आपका लगना ही लगना है. और आप इसके बाद जितने किलोमीटर आप कवर करोगे उसको y से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. स्टूडेंट, एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम्स?
No, sir.
Now student, in first condition you have to cover 10 kilometer and you have to pay rupees 105. Student, according to first condition, student, that is your fixed charge, that is x rupees fixed charge. After that you are covering 10 km and per kilometer charge rupees y and for 10 km charge 10 y. Student, any doubt?
No, sir.
And total amount is 105. That is your first condition. Now student, according to second condition. According to second condition. Second condition. Now student, what is fixed charge? That is x rupees. You have to pay. After that, the distance covered is 15 km and per kilometer rupees y. For 15 km amount will be 15 y and total amount is that is 155. Student, from equation first. From equation first. What is the value of x? Value of x is 105 minus 10y. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Putting value of x. Putting value of x from equation third in equation second. Student, replace x with 105 minus 10y. 105 minus 10y is equal to plus. Student, x 105 minus 10y plus 15y, that is 155. Now student, solve it and find out the value of y. Student, minus 10y plus 15y, that is 5y and 155 minus 105. Now student, that is 5y and that is 50. Student, what is the value of y? 50 by 5, that is 10.
10.
Student, putting y is equal to 10 in equation third. Putting y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 in equation third. In equation third. Now student, what is x? X is equal to 105 minus 10y. X is equal to 105 minus 10y. Now student, x is equal to 105 minus 10 into 10.
X is equal to 5.
X is equal to 105 minus 100. That is x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Now student, the fixed charge is rupees 5 and charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Now student, fixed charge is fixed charge rupees 10 charge per kilometer rupees fixed charge rupees 5, sorry, fixed charge rupees 5 and charge per kilometer rupees 10. Student, do it.
Sir.
Students, fifth part. Student, try to understand question. If fraction becomes 9 by 11, if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. find the fraction. Let numerator of the fraction be. Let numerator of the fraction be x and denominator of the fraction be y. Student, required fraction b. Required fraction b. Students, fraction is numerator by denominator. Numerator divided by denominator. That is x by y. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Students, in first condition, if fraction is 9 by 11, if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, if we add 2 in numerator as well as denominator, it becomes 9 by 11 according to first condition. According to first condition. First condition. If we add 2 in numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 9 by 11. 9 by 11. Student, cross multiply it. Cross multiplication. That is, student, 11 bracket x plus 2 is equal to 9 bracket y plus 2. 11x plus 11 to the 22, that is 9y plus 18. Now student, 11x minus 9y, 18 minus 22. 11x minus 9y, that is minus 4. Equation first. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, according to second condition. According to second condition. Second condition. Student, if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. If 3 is added to both numerator में 3 add and denominator में addition of 3, fraction becomes 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Cross multiplication. Now students, 6 multiplied x plus 3 and 5 multiplied y plus 3. 6x plus 6 3s are 18 and 5y plus 15. Now student, equation becomes 6x minus 5y, 15 minus 18. So it becomes 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Student, it becomes 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Students, can you solve the equation?